Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Nali Sabaidi. Today I'm going to show you how I make this omelet with the leftover stuffings and the leftover ham from Thanksgiving dinner. Okay, let's get started. You're going to need eggs and cheese and unsalted butter and of course the leftover stuffing and then the leftover ham. And for the cheese, I just used whatever I had in the fridge. And for the butter, I just used unsalted butter. Okay, let's get started. Here I already have the sliced leftover ham. I'm just going to go ahead and add that to our leftover stuffings. And I did use 2 eggs in the beginning, but then I realized I needed one more, so I used a total of 3. Add in a dash of black pepper and just a tiny bit of salt because your leftover stuffing already has that yummy flavors anyways. And in here, I'm going to add the 3rd eggs. And in the pan, I added 1 tablespoon of the butter. I put this on very, very low heat. When you're making omelet, you want to make it in very low heat. When all your butter is almost melted, now you want to add in the ham and the stuffing. And if you find this video useful, please hit like and subscribe. Let's get back to cooking. And just let that sit there and cook for like 2-3 minutes. Once that's been cooking there for 2-3 minutes, go ahead and add in your beaten eggs. I didn't use all of it, like 75% of it. But if I did use a bigger pan, I know I would have used all that eggs. And don't worry, I didn't waste or throw away that eggs. I went ahead and made a second omelet with that. And then once your omelet is almost done, go ahead and add in your choice of cheese or whatever you have in the fridge. And if you don't have any cheese today, don't add any, you're fine. Once this is almost done, you want to fold your omelet halfway, just covering the cheese. Yeah, and you could tell I'm not a pro. And I'm going to let this cook for another 2 minutes. After that, I'm going to turn it the other way and cook it for another 2 minutes. And then you're going to see the melted cheese and everything and crispy on the outside. So gooey and yummy on the inside. Okay, let's give this a flip. And then after that, cook it for 2 more minutes. So you see this cheese starting to melt? And you see how crispy the outer part is? Okay, and we are finally done. Look at that. Doesn't that look so good? It's going to be a really good breakfast today. Look at the omelet with the melted cheese. I hope you give this a try if you do have leftover stuffings. Thanks for watching.